What's going on, guys? Archie King here for another YouTube video. Today we're back. Last episode we rebuilt the rear of the slash right here. It looks good. This episode we're going to be rebuilding the center of the truck. The center of the truck is the most simple area of the truck to rebuild. Just 4 screws to disconnect it from the front module, and then I just take off the motor mount and stuff. Normally in a rebuild, I don't actually do much here. I just take all the electronics off, then clean all the parts. This episode, we're completely stripping down the chassis though, because we're putting on the new black chassis that I dyed. Let's start the time lapse, and yeah.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. Dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take?
Okay, so we tore down the whole truck, all the parts that I still am using, and bring them into their cleaning area and wash them all down, scrub them with warm soapy water.
Can I be your superhero?
Okay, so now I'm just gonna go wash off the WD-40 parts.
To dream, believe, you are the strength, you're all I need.
Okay, so we got all the parts back into the workshop, and now we're just gonna assemble the whole chassis.
Oh, gonna give it a shot, only one of me, to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero.
Okay, so now it's actually the next night. It's not the next morning, and we're gonna install the receiver.
Believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream
so that's it for today's episode. Next week, we'll be rebuilding this front end. This front end looks so dirty now compared to the fully rebuilt middle and rear end. I'm still waiting in for the 80-weight shock oil. That should be coming in soon. That will most likely be the last installment of this video series. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, turn bell notifications on. And as always, stay tuned for next week.
So long, farewell, goodbye. 7 days, 7